Today on the Independent Producer Academy, we're going to make old glass new again. We're going to show you how to use an FD lens on a mirrorless camera. So stick around. Hi, it's Sven with the Independent Producer Academy, and at IPA we're all about helping you find ways to make your project, even on a small budget, and that includes creative ways of using your gear. So today, I'm going to show you how to adapt an old FD lens to a mirrorless camera. In the age of disposable technology, something always goes wrong with your new stuff, and it's cheaper just to throw it away than repair it. Because technology is changing all the time, when something breaks, it's just easier and cheaper to replace it. But that's not true with these great old lenses. While technology has changed, the great glass in these lenses still holds up. So we're going to take a 35mm film camera and take the lens off that and put it on your mirrorless camera. I'm going to show you how to put the adapter on, focus peaking, and what some of the images look like. So now I'm going to show you how to use the adapter with this 50mm lens that I was talking about. So here's a piece of glass. It's a 50mm 1.8 and it's already got the adapter already on it. But you can make this now a prime lens by attaching this. Let me take the back cap off. So what I have on here is the Fotasy FD to NEX, which adapts it to the E-mount lens for the A6300 that I have. And you can get this for $15 online. There will be a link in the description, and this will make it work on a mirrorless camera. Now let me take this off. You unlock it. You can see there's the lens. That's the FD lens right there. And now there's a black pin right here. See that black pin? You want that to be on this side of that lever so that it engages. And right there is a notch, and you want that notch to line up with that pin at the red dot right there. So you click that in, close it off onto the lens, lock that onto the lens, and then now you don't have, the pin is on the right side, so it's on the other side of that lever. And once you lock this adapter in, which I'm going to do, there you go. So now that's locked in. That engages the aperture. So now I can open and close the aperture on this 50mm lens. Here's some images I shot with it at night. This is the 50mm 1.8. I'm just shooting in my backyard and shooting some Christmas lights. You can see it's got a really creamy bokeh and a really nice look to it. It's very soft and dreamy. This is a great lens to use at night because it's so fast. It's a 1.8. You can see it's handheld here, and so it's a bit shaky, but it's a crisp lens, and you can get some really interesting shots with it. I feel like it's a versatile lens. So here's a quick handheld shot indoors, and you can see this is pretty jittery, so you're going to want to use this on a tripod because this has no optical stabilization. Here it is on a tripod, and this is just to show you how clean this lens is. It's a great image, has a nice depth of field, it's really shallow, it's really fast lens, it's perfect for night shoots or any creative shots you want to do with it. So let's take a look at the 50mm on a A6300. This is the Viewfinder view, and right now I have focus peaking on, and this will allow you to use a fully manual lens. As you can see, the red lets you know what part of the image is in focus. It's a little shaky here. I think I had a little too much coffee, but you can set the peaking level to high, and you can change the color from red to yellow to white. I tend to use red because it stands out better, but you can use white and yellow depending on what your background is so that you can see what's in focus. I know you're saying, I can't use my autofocus. That's why I bought my mirrorless camera, because I can't focus. But you know, with focus peaking, you can do it. I believe in you. You can do this. I just really love these lenses. They're beautiful old lenses that were made, you know, in a time when these are supposed to last 20 years. This 1.8 is a really fast lens, and you can be more creative with it. You can shoot in darker situations. You have a narrower depth of field, so your visual style can be more interesting. That's it for today. A cheap way to add a lens to your camera kit and save a little bit of history.